This is the solution to the Java MOOC course, Java programming, first part, part 5, programming exercise 5.13, named identical twins. The programming exercise asks us that there are no tests in the exercise template to check the correctness of the solution. Only return your answer after the comparison works as it should. Below is some code to help test the program. So we have been provided with test code, and we are provided with this 3 classes in the programming exercise. We have been provided with the person class, we have been provided with the main class, and we have been provided with the simple date class. Okay, this is of the previous exercise, so let's close that first of all. And okay, so first of all we have object of date, simple date type, right? And a simple date takes day, month and year. So we have got day, month and year. So we are basically providing a date, and there's a person Lily. We've been provided with object, right? So we are passing object to object, and this is string name, object 62 and 9. So what are these? Let's check it out. So if we go into person class, we have a simple date type of object as our birthday. So this birthday will receive date, right? And this date will be stored here. Okay, and we've been provided with height and weight. Okay, now if Leo dot equals Lily, system dot out dot println, is this quite correct? Person Leo with different weight equals to new person Leo, the same date as Leo, just the weight is different. So weight, it was 9, here we got 10, and height is 62. I believe it's centimeters, I guess. Okay, and if Leo equals Leo with different weight, system out dot println, is this quite correct? So this equals a soft type boolean. So if this is not equals to this, then this will never be printed, and this also will never be printed. Okay, so let's copy this code first of all into our main Java, right? Let's paste the code and let's type it out. Okay, now we have a person class. Implement an equals method here for checking the equality of the objects. So if the variables are located in the same place, they are the same. Okay, every steps that we require in equals method are being given here, right? So here what we are going to implement is the same equals method. So let's write public boolean equals, right? And what does this take? This takes object, let's name it compared. Okay, first condition that we have to check is if this equals compared, then we are returning true. It's a boolean, so it's awaiting a return statement. So first of all, let's add a false statement in here. The next step is if compared instance of person, right? Then we're gonna return false, but we should notice that if it is not an instance of, okay, right, if it is not an instance of person, then they can never be equal, so we're returning false. Finally, what we're gonna do is write person, let's name it compared person, is equals to typecasting of the object compared to to person. So yeah, that's done. Then what we are going to do is if we're returning true. But what are the conditions we should check? If this dot name dot equals what it should be equal to, it should be equal to compared person dot name, right? That's of type string. Now there's also a simple date birthday, and how are we going to implement this, since this is an object of this type, right? So let's try and do it in a similar way. If this dot birthday dot let's go into our simple date, and this birthday, this basically means the birthday of the object that we're calling. So here we are calling Leo, so that birthday refers to the Leo's birthday. So what we're going to do, if this that birthday, right, but we have the birthday being of type simple date, we have a method in simple date, we have a method in simple date called equals, right, that takes object. So what we're going to do, we're simply going to call this dot birthday dot equals. So this is of type boolean, so to be true statement, all the ending of true values returns true, so this must also be true. And what we are passing is, we are passing compared person dot birthday, right? Now compared person dot birthday is an object, and this is simply a string. So by default, if it's taking a string, it will call the equals method and verify it. Okay, now string is also object, but string is also object in Java, right? So string is also object, and this compared person dot birthday is also object of type simple date. And then finally what we're going to do is this dot height, since it's integer, is equals to compared person dot height, and finally one last value, this dot wigst weight is equals to compared person dot wigst weight. Is that good? Yep, I think that's good. So let's go to our main Java and let's just run this. So nothing should actually appear. No? Else for the test, let's S out. Okay. And else we are printing. Okay, let's run this code again. Okay, so I think we're done here. Let's try and submit this to the server and let's await the results. And as we can see, all tests have passed on the server. If there are any questions, you can ask down in the comment section. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video.